Lakshmi, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having an amazing day, and today we're talking about vertical videos. 70% of the people who watch these videos, not just mine, like in general, but prefer to watch videos on their phones. In other words, vertical. Now, it's easy, not so easy to make vertical videos. Many people would just use their phones, but to get great quality, you might want to use something as a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. Now, it's not that easy because if you're shooting horizontally, you will have to trim, do all that kind of stuff. It's hard to edit. Same thing goes, you put it like this, filming, sure it is vertical, but then you have to convert the video, rotate the video, and let's just say you want to use effects. Let's say I put a subscribe button. It won't be centered properly. It's a mess framing everything. But what if I tell you there's a way to convert these videos from horizontal videos, just any video, in literally 2-button press to vertical? It's going to be simple. And what if I tell you this video right now, it's not a vertical video. I didn't crop it, I didn't trim it. It's all automatic and it's a horizontal video. It's actually really easy. So we are going to be using Final Cut Pro 10 on how to convert these videos. I will show you how to do that with literally 2-button press. It's a 1-button press technically if you already know Final Cut, but it's 2-button press. How we're going to do that? And if you don't have Final Cut Pro 10, you can download the trial. It's 30-day trial, give it a shot. And if you already have Final Cut Pro 10, you want to make sure you're on the latest version. Now, once you have that, and once you have Final Cut Pro 10, now let's just dive in and let me show you how to do that. It's really simple, it's easy, you will love it. So let's get started. So once you got your Final Cut Pro 10 updated or installed, just create a new project, throw in some videos, do some minor or major edits. So if you already have Final Cut, already have a project, just open that up. What I've got here is just one of my older projects, fully made, not even with the intention of putting it on vertical format. So from my intro, so me perfectly framed in, to the intro text, animations, b-roll, and even the ending subscribe button, nothing is framed to go with vertical view. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the project in the browser or in the library on the left hand side. Just select the project that you want to convert into vertical. You have to go and right click on the project, and from here click on duplicate project as. Then you will get this new pop-up window. Give it whatever you name. So I will just say, let's just say IG. And in the video format, which is, for me it says 4K, for you it could say something else depending on what format your video is in. So what we're going to do is basically change it from whatever it is to vertical. Now once we do that, the resolution and everything gets updated. If you want to increase the resolution, you can do that. I'm going to leave it at 720 by 1280. And the most important thing that you want to press is Smart Confirm. Make sure that's checked on and press OK. Now let Final Cut do its thing. It might take a while. It might be like that. And then check your library and it will be named whatever you named it in the starting. So for me, IG, I see it right up here. I'm going to double click on that, and now if I play this video without making any changes, I'm perfectly framed. So the trims and crops, it was perfect. The intro that's not even supposed to be for vertical form has been adjusted and it looks great. All the b-roll, all the zooming in shots, if you see, it zooms in at the perfect point where I actually want to put the focus on. So another example for this one would be, I'm showing moving the icon, so it's already framed it right there. Now let's just say another example would be this keyframe or b-roll where I'm putting a command key. Same thing goes up here. It's perfectly framed to saying like, oh, I want to move that might be what I want to show. So something I've realized is that it's not just cropping it in. So for example, another video where I would not be centered, I would be offset, it would actually crop it to me or wherever I am. So it's super handy. It's not like, oh, you have to make sure everything is perfectly centered. It doesn't really do that. And I've done this about 20 times now, and I'm going to be honest, I did not have to make a single change. It's just been great. But let's just say you do want to make some changes or make some adjustments, you're not that happy, it's super easy. So let's just say I'm going to go with this clip here, and let's just say I'm not that happy that I don't want it there. It's super easy to move. So what you want to do is make sure your clip is selected and head over to the properties. Now when the property or the inspector opens up, head over to transformation and just move or play around with the X values. Pick the one that you like or when you're satisfied, and that's really it. From here on, you can export, share, and do all that kind of stuff. And hope this video helped you if you were looking at how to convert any of these horizontal videos into vertical videos by, let's just say, 2 clicks, or it's super easy. And if you make content specifically for vertical, hope this trick can help you increase your workflow, like make it more effective, increase the quality, and maybe now you can film on a DSLR or a mirrorless and do this trick and it will be amazing. You can even upload these same videos, so you can record and do all that stuff, edit it out, upload that to YouTube, and let's just say now you want to make it upload to IGTV or other platforms, you can just use this trick, convert them to vertical, and you're good to go. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, maybe hit the like button. If you didn't, of course you can press the dislike. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, it's right beside it. It will give you notifications when I publish or post new videos. And hope you all have an amazing week, amazing month, amazing rest of the year, and I will see you guys later.